Now let's learn how to navigate between multiple screens. First, let's go to src folder and create a new folder with screens. And let's create a couple of screens. For example, let's create gold screen.tsx. And as you've learned before how to create React component, let's create a component right now using this snippet rnfes to create a full functional component. Okay, and let's style it. Style equals to styles dot container, and inside this container let's give it Felix 1 and background color gold. Now let's press save and justify content center and align items center as well. Now let's go and render this screen. So in app.tsx, let's remove all of this and add this gold screen component. And remember, you need to import it from src screens gold screen. Now let's press save. Now that was our first screen, the gold one. Let's create another one. But first, let's give this text a style. For example, styles.text. Font size, let's make it 30. And let's separate gold screen like this. Okay. Finally, let's format our code. Right click and press on format document. Okay, now let's copy all of that code and build another screen. Let's make it tomato screen.tsx. And let's press save and only change this gold to tomato. And the color also is gonna be tomato. Okay, now let's take a copy and create a third screen. Let's rename it purple screen.tsx. And let's paste our code here. It's the same code as gold screen and tomato screen, but we're gonna only change this tomato to purple and also the color purple, and press save. Now we got 3 screens here: purple screen, tomato screen, and gold screen. For example, we can render the purple. Now we are in purple screen, and we can also render the tomato screen. Now our screen worked perfectly. But how to navigate between a screen to another?